Good evening, Wembley. Hi, I'm Jason. I'm Welsh. Any Welsh people in the house? Cool. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck you're saying. I've actually learned 3 Welsh words this week, just to make an effort for tonight. Anyone know what yakidar means? Cheers. Anyone knows what poppity ping means? Anyone knows what pobbly cum means? No, it means I've got massive bollocks. Welsh is apparently the fastest growing language. Did you know that? It's gone from 2 to 4 speakers now. Okay, some of my friends in Wales have described me as Jonathan Creek. Yeah. Yeah. Frodo. Rolf Harris, that was my brother. A big issue seller. Angela Lansbury. And a short-assed, hairy, jippo bastard. Cheers, Nan. Okay, so what I'm going to talk to you about tonight is phobias. Does anybody in the audience have a phobia?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do? What's your phobia? Tissues. That's a strange one. Has that got a name? No? Well, that's a strange one. Are you what, afraid of touching them, or?
Yeah, I don't like the smell, the texture. I mean,
So how do you go to the toilet then?
Yeah. Well, I will use it then.
Right. But you're in like agony.
If you have the opportunity, I'll avoid it. Yeah.
Right.
I like hanky. It's like...
Yeah. Any other phobias? Okay.
If you would then wipe your ass.
Okay, I've got a phobia which is a bit of a strange one. I'm sure no one's ever heard of this. It's a bit odd. Yeah, I'm not experienced enough to deal with hecklers, so I don't know what's going on right now. It's my first fucking gig, for fuck's sake. Yeah, my phobia is a phobia of small sounds. I've had this all my life. It's very strange. I'll try and convey it to you. Basically, ever since I was born up until this day, small sounds have pursued me, and they follow me everywhere I go. And these small sounds, it's like in a room like now. I'm actually listening to a guy downstairs in the corner with a moustache, actually packing a pipe. And for some reason, these small sounds in my brain, they're sort of, the volume of these small sounds are lifted up to the sounds in the room. So it's quite strange. I find it hard to concentrate. People think I'm a space cadet, but really I'm just listening to some guy tune a ukulele 3 blocks away. Yeah, it's a bit odd. So it goes right back to childhood. When I was in school, I'd wake up 2 hours before my family just to get some peace. I love a bit of peace in the morning. And then my mum would come in through the door and glide across the carpet. And the sound of her slippers. She's slapping on her heel. Yeah, don't ask, it's a strange one. And then she would stand by the curtains and slowly open the blinds. Yeah, don't ask. And then I'd be eating my sugar puffs in the kitchen and my mum would float in behind me and make a coffee. And now this is the worst sound in the universe. I don't mind people making coffee if you just put the sugar in and stir the fucking coffee and get it in there. Cool. But for some reason, yeah, you know the one, you got the same thing. Yeah, this disorder, yeah, yeah, kink, 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 kink. It's like, this disorder is called misophonia. Yeah, strange one. I've only just found that out. And so, yeah, it's good. It's good that I'm not alone. Misophonia, yeah. I text my girlfriend, I have misophonia. She said, okay, I'll stop making you miso soup. Yeah, okay. I'm a music producer, so I think I'm getting my own back with that. I've chosen that profession to make as much noise as I can. I quite like loud noises and bass, and that's all fine. It's small noises that really get to me. And obviously, being a music producer, anything creative is quite hard to.
There's always one.
Whose phone's on? Can you turn it off? Before I go fucking mental. Look, it's thrown it, look, it's fucked it, look. That's what I mean, this is Misophonia, look, I'm gone. Fuck my gig, my debut gig. Being a creative guy, it's obviously hard to make a living being a creative guy. So a lot of creative people have a second job. I sell eggs. Thanks for that. My mum's well proud of me. My mum's got a deep voice. I fucking hate selling eggs. Every day, I set my stall up, put the eggs there, and people come up. The chicken's happy. No, they're on Prozac, mate. The chicken's got lots of space to run around. I'm like, no, mate, they're under the counter. Every week when I'm selling eggs, a busker turns up, and I love music, but I like music with balls, If you're going to say something, say it, And my misophonia kicks in every time I'm selling eggs, because this busker, he's, I don't know if you know the singer James Blunt. His Cockney rhyming slang, yeah? Well, this guy turns up every week and sets up, puts a little tambourine on his foot, puts his guitar on, closes his eyes, and gives it. For 5 fucking hours. I'm Jason, that's my disorder. Thanks for listening. Cheers.